Top 10 coldest places on Earth. We live on a planet of extremes. Blazing deserts, stormy oceans, towering mountains. Earth is many things, but nothing tests the limits of human endurance quite like the cold. Today, we're traveling to the coldest corners of our world, places where even the air stings like needles, where breath crystallizes mid-air, where nature locks itself in ice month after month. From frozen Russian towns to the heart of Antarctica, brace yourself for a bone-chilling journey as we count down the top 10 coldest places on Earth. And wait till you see what's number 1. It's colder than you can imagine. So, zip up your jacket, grab a hot drink, and let's head into the frost. 10th snag, Yukon, Canada. Deep in the Yukon territory of Canada lies the now abandoned village of Snag, a place that made meteorological history. In February 1947, Snag recorded the coldest temperature ever in continental North America, a stunning minus 63 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the surface of Mars on some days. Locals reported strange acoustic effects. Voices could be heard clearly from miles away. Even footsteps crunched louder on the snow. Today, Snag is a ghost town, but it holds the crown for Canada's coldest ever record, a chilling reminder of how brutal northern winters can be. 9. Prospect Creek, Alaska, USA. Next on our list is Prospect Creek, a remote outpost in interior Alaska that reached minus 62 degrees Celsius in January 1971. This temperature still stands as the lowest ever recorded in the United States. What's remarkable is that Prospect Creek isn't in the Arctic Circle. It's in the central part of Alaska, proving that latitude isn't the only factor. Terrain and climate patterns play a huge role. Back then, it was a temporary base for pipeline workers building the Trans-Alaska Pipeline. Workers battled frozen machinery, frostbite, and the daily struggle of just staying warm. 8. Denali, Mount McKinley, Alaska. At over 20,000 feet, Denali is North America's tallest mountain and also one of its coldest places. Due to its elevation and location, Denali experiences some of the coldest mountain temperatures ever recorded. Wind chill can plummet to minus 73 degrees Celsius or even colder. Climbers risk far more than altitude sickness. Conditions change in minutes. The sun may shine one moment, then vanish into a whiteout blizzard the next. Even the summer summit temperatures remain below freezing. In winter, survival without high-grade gear is nearly impossible. 7. Klink Station, Greenland. In 1991, an automated weather station at Klink, deep inside Greenland's interior, recorded an astonishing minus 69.4 degrees Celsius. This is the coldest temperature ever measured in the Western Hemisphere. Klink is not a town or even a camp. It's just an icy expanse high up on the Greenland ice sheet where few have ever set foot. The station's data helps scientists study global climate patterns and polar temperature trends. While Klink may never see tourists, it remains a crucial sentinel of the Arctic's frigid heart. 6. North Ice, Greenland. Before Klink, the coldest spot in Greenland was North Ice, a British research station used during the 1950s. In 1954, it logged minus 66.1 degrees Celsius, setting records for the island nation. Unlike Klink, North Ice was manned by British explorers. They lived in insulated huts and endured weeks of polar night. temperatures outside dropped low enough to freeze ink inside pens and make water solidify indoors if heating failed. The data gathered at North Ice helped advance our understanding of Arctic weather and laid groundwork for future expeditions. 5. Yakutsk, Russia. How cold can a city get and still thrive? Yakutsk in Siberia answers that question. Home to over 300,000 people, Yakutsk is the coldest large city in the world. Its average January temperature hovers around -38 degrees Celsius, but records show lows down to -64.4 degrees Celsius. In Yakutsk, pipes are above ground to prevent freezing. Cars are kept running all day, even when parked. People wear thick fur coats, full face masks, and insulated boots for everyday tasks. Yakutsk stands as a testament to human adaptability, a city that thrives in the heart of the Siberian freeze. Number 4. Verkhoyansk, Russia. In 1892, the town of Verkhoyansk hit -67.8 degrees Celsius, a temperature so low it was unmatched for nearly a century. Located in Siberia's Hole of Cold, Verkhoyansk lies near the Arctic Circle and is known for having one of the most extreme temperature ranges on Earth, from -68 degrees Celsius in winter to +38 degrees Celsius in summer. That's a swing of over 100 degrees Celsius. 3. Oymyakon, Russia. Just a few hundred kilometers from Verkhoyansk lies Oymyakon, often dubbed the coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth. In 1933, Oymyakon recorded -67.7 degrees Celsius, just 0.1 degrees Celsius short of Verkhoyansk's record. And yet, around 500 people live here year-round. Children go to school unless the temperature drops below -52 degrees Celsius. Yes, that's the school closure threshold. Oymyakon is proud of its status. It has a monument declaring it the Pole of Cold and hosts a yearly cold festival where visitors can test their tolerance and their thermals. 2nd Vostok Station, Antarctica. In the center of East Antarctica sits Vostok Station, one of the most isolated and inhospitable places humans have ever settled. In July 1983, Vostok set the record for the coldest temperature ever directly recorded on Earth, a jaw-dropping -89.2 degrees Celsius. But that's not all. Beneath 4 kilometers of ice lies Lake Vostok, a massive subglacial lake that's been sealed off for millions of years. With no sunlight for half the year and howling winds that pierce steel, Vostok is truly a place where Earth feels alien. 1. East Antarctic Plateau, Dome Fuji Ridge. Topping our list is a place so cold, so remote, that no human has ever stood there. In 2018, using satellite thermal sensors, scientists discovered that a ridge between Dome Argus and Dome Fuji in East Antarctica had surface temperatures of -98.6 degrees Celsius, the coldest natural temperature ever observed on Earth. At that temperature, even carbon dioxide begins to solidify in the atmosphere. It's colder than dry ice, colder than the surface of Pluto at times. It's as close to absolute zero as we've ever measured naturally on Earth. The coldest places on Earth aren't just defined by their temperature, they're defined by survival, by resilience, by the extraordinary ability of nature and people to adapt to the harshest conditions imaginable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's frostiest frontiers, give us a like, subscribe for more breathtaking geography, and drop a comment below. Which of these cold places would you dare to visit? Until next time, stay curious and stay warm.